Hi, I'm Dr. Stacy Funt. I'm a radiologist, a national board certified health and wellness coach, a lifelong traveler, and founder of a wellness adventure travel company. We know in lifestyle medicine that health does not take place in the doctor's office. It takes place in how we live our lives. And that creating and sustaining new healthier habits is sometimes really challenging for all of us. My talk is entitled Bringing Lifestyle Medicine to Life Through Travel. Whether you're going halfway around the globe or just to another part of your community, I'm going to discuss what's unique about travel and why that opens us up to make change more accessible and easier for us. We'll look at some of the research on awe and beauty and immersion in nature and novelty and what that does for our health and well-being to support ourselves. And I'll share some real-life examples of people who've had pretty profound shifts while on an adventure, sometimes even before it started. And lastly, I'll give you some tips and some tools that you can use in your own lives or share with your patients on how to bring more awe and connection and meaning into your daily life. I hope you join me.